करीम। अम्मा बाद फाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Life of Holy Prophet, respected teachers, honorable principal, and my dear class fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I have got an opportunity to express my feelings about my hero. Dear friends, my hero is as great and kind as an angel. I am proud of being one of his followers. He is the Prophet of Allah, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear audience, as you can know, Prophet was a great and most kind person whom he has ever seen. His words and deeds affected human throughout his history. Hazrat Muhammad was a genius teacher and a great father and a wonderful husband and the best companion. Mercifulness for Muslim, and we should follow our Prophet. Thanks all of you for listening.
माशाअल्लाह, ये थे जनाब